One of the greatest benefits from learning the secret as I did, keeping my shoulders more level, coming back into the impact area with my right shoulder a little bit higher, was the ability to hit a low shot. I had now the ability to move the ball back in my stance, and when I did that, I even felt more comfortable getting my right shoulder higher and higher and higher. And when I did that, I got into the position where now, when I came into the ball, I could keep the club head coming back down on the ball like this, on line like this. Now watch. Your eyes are looking back at the ball. When you're coming into the ball, keep your left shoulder low, like that. And you're coming through, and you're going to hit that ball low. Problem I had before was that I tried to move the ball back, but since I drove my legs like this, I'd still leave the ball way out to the right. But since my right shoulder now is higher, and higher yet when I get the club farther back in my stance, like this, now pick the club up, I drop it on the ball like that, I finish low, the ball goes out low. Now talk about a shot that's very useful in windy conditions, say the British Open.